Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Caesar salad dressing with yogurt. This creamy, tangy dressing is a fantastic alternative to traditional versions, offering a lighter, healthier option without sacrificing flavor. We'll use readily available ingredients and simple steps to create a delicious dressing perfect for any salad. Get ready to transform your Caesar salad experience with this easy guide. Let's start by building our creamy base. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. Next, add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until they are completely smooth. This creates the perfect tangy foundation for our delicious Caesar dressing. Now it's time to infuse our dressing with classic Caesar flavors. Add 1 finely minced garlic clove and 1 teaspoon of anchovy paste to the mixture. If you prefer, you can omit the anchovy paste or use a vegetarian Worcestershire sauce. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Give it a good stir. Then taste and adjust any seasonings to your liking. To finish, slowly drizzle in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil while continuously whisking until fully incorporated and creamy. This helps emulsify the dressing. For the best flavor, cover and chill your homemade Caesar dressing in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. It will keep well in an airtight container for up to 5 days. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.